Hey guys, welcome back to Code with AI. Today in this video we are going to explore Assistant API in OpenAI Playground. Okay, not in coding. So this is a non-coding tutorial of Assistant API. So you can also create Assistant in OpenAI website without any coding. And this is very easy to start. But first you have to create an OpenAI account. After that you have to click on dashboard and click on assistant. Here is my assistant alpha, but I will create a new assistant, so click on create. Okay, after that click on untitled assistant and give a name to your assistant. This is the assistant ID. You can copy it and use wherever you want in your coding work if you want. Okay, I am giving the name for my assistant, like I will give any name here. Enter a user friendly name. Okay, I will give Eva. Okay, not Eva, I will provide Eva, AVAL. Next we have to provide some instruction. For example, you are a helpful assistant. Okay, to my assistant. Okay, I'm writing here, you are my personal assistant. And ready to do any task for me. Okay, that's enough. Next we have to select the model. Okay, you can select any model. I will select GPT-4o mini because it is the latest and cheapest model from OpenAI. Next we have to on or off tools. Okay, there are two to three tools: functions, code interpreter, and the file search. Okay, file search tool is used for knowledge retrieval, and code interpreter used for running the code in code interpreter, and function is for function calling. You can also on JSON mode if you want. It will provide response in JSON objects. You can select temperature and the top p. Okay, this is, you can also delete that assistant or clone that assistant also. Okay, here I'm going to on code interpreter and file search for both. I'm not going to give any functions here because for function calling you have to code. Okay, you can watch my previous video on assistant API in coding in Python. Okay, now I'm going to upload a PDF file here. Okay, for the knowledge retrieval or for summarizing my PDF. Okay, this is not free. You have to pay something for using these API. You have to pay the cost of tokens. Okay, I just uploaded my SCI data table sample.pdf and click on attach. You can also select vector store here. Okay, if you have any vector store you can select here or enter the vector store ID. Next click on attach. Okay, the file has been attached to my Ava assistant. Okay, this is my file with the file ID. Okay, vector store ID, vector store for Ava. Okay, let's close it. Okay, this is our PDF which I just uploaded to OpenAI server for knowledge retrieval. This is after school training toolkit. Okay, next we have to go to playground. Uh, Here is our assistant and click on assistants. Here is our Ava assistant. Okay, on the right side, not on the right side, on the left side. Okay, this is our thread. Okay, we have to enter a message. We can also mention code interpreter or file search for a particular thread or for a particular message. You can also upload files for a particular thread or for a particular message. Okay, I'm going to give a task to my Ava assistant to summarize this PDF. Okay, let's me write it. Okay, here I'm writing summarize the after school toolkits for me in 150 words. Okay, toolkit PDF. Next we have to click on run, or we can also give it by control plus enter. Okay, it's running with a thread id, this thread running retrieval, and it's generating the text. This is the summary of after school toolkit PDF generated by GPT-4o mini model right in the OpenAI website, not using any code. Okay, next I am going to write something like, okay, whatever, what I write is, can you point out the main facts? Can you, okay, I just forget you, main facts in this PDF. Okay, okay, next we will press run. Okay, these are the main facts like educational focus, practical examples, safety guidelines, data collection, engagement. Okay, these and these are the resource, our PDF that GPT-4o mini used for generating these texts. Okay, next I am going to use code interpreter, okay, for generating a CSV file. Okay, like here I'm writing generate a CSV file, or I can write extract the main table or table data from this PDF in into a CSV file. Okay, now the model will generate a CSV file using code in code interpreter and give me a link to download that CSV file, and this is cool. Okay, running retrieval. First it will run retrieval, then it will use code interpreter, and this is the code that model is using for generating that CSV file. It extracting the data from PDF and then pasting into this file, and these are the link for that file. You can click this link and copy the and you can also download this file from here. Okay, the data after school toolkit.csv. Okay, I think this is cool. You don't have to do any coding work here. You just simply have to go on a OpenAI website and do and create an assistant, create a thread, and do whatever you want using code interpreter, using knowledge retrieval, and using function calling. But function calling will not work here. You have to code for that. Okay guys, if you want to watch my assistant API Python tutorial, okay, you can watch it by subscribing my channel. I have a video on assistant API Python tutorial. After that you can delete this assistant by clicking on delete button if you want to delete. And in thread section you will have a thread, uh, the thread that I just created with Ava assistant. Guys, if you want more video on fine tuning batches and vector store, or how to use these assistant API in Python with advanced tools, you can comment me. Okay, this is thread. You can't delete this thread. You delete this thread only by uh, in Python language, only by using some code. Okay, you can also delete these files. I'm going to delete both of these files because this is only for this tutorial. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then please hit the like button. And if you want more videos on OpenAI tutorial, you can comment me in comment section. And if you want to watch more videos on Python language and OpenAI API tutorial, you can look in my channel by subscribing my channel. And these are the usage of monthly usage of my OpenAI API. So guys, please subscribe my channel and help me to grow this channel. So thank you for watching.